am David Brower, the proud principal of Decatur High School. At Decatur, we partner with Project Lead the Way. Project Lead the Way is a national nonprofit organization dedicated to promoting STEM education, science, technology, engineering, and math in public schools. So the Bulwark Defense System actually started out of a conversation that two teachers had with me last year. They came to me and they were worried. We'd had a lockdown drill, and these teachers came to me because they were worried that they have to step outside of their classroom to lock the door. I went to Mr. Smith and said, hey, do you think that your engineering students could figure out a solution to this problem? And he got really excited. And so the first week of class, he brought his fourth-year students back, explained the dilemma, and said, guys, we're gonna try to solve this problem. The Bulwark Defense System is a mechanism that gets bolted onto the door that allows the door to be locked at all times, but be opened until you just slide it up and engage the locking mechanism that's already on the door.
Mr. Brower, who's our principal, decided that there was a need for an active shooter scenario. If somebody came to the school, how can we lock our doors safely and quickly? So the idea was, what can we do effectively and inexpensively to do the same thing, where we could still have the doors open all day long, but in a short notice we could have them locked quickly.
Mr. Brower and Mr. Smith both came to us with a problem, and we, after talking it out, we realized that's really bad after all the school shootings that have been going on. And so we just sat down in small groups and began brainstorming. The BDS, the Bulwark Defense System, is a lock sleeve that will help keep everyone in the classroom safe from intruders, and it will help save lives. Doing this project was really amazing, and it's an amazing feeling to accomplish something so big and be able to patent it.
In this program, with Project Lead the Way's help, engineering isn't just a subject of math and science that they study and figure out how someone else does it. They actually get to apply those principles. Students have told me that this is the class where the math and science makes sense. These kids really had to solve a real-world problem. Then they had the opportunity to go seek a patent. So they figured out the process of, okay, how do you take this engineering design concept from concept to prototype to actual product? When I think about my students that I have here and the things that they are doing, it makes me so optimistic for their futures and for our future.